Hello, today we've come to Cambridge Botanical Garden.
Yes, and we're really looking forward to seeing what it's like at the start of summer.
First founded in 1762, the beautiful garden is where Charles Darwin began his career while he studied at the university. He was an assistant to Professor of Botany John Stephen Henslow.
The original garden, located in the city centre, was used for teaching medical students. Since then, it has been expanded significantly both in size and its range of activities.
John Stephen Henslow believed a botanic garden should help teaching and research about plants as organisms worthy of study in their own right, and persuaded the university to expand the botanic garden away from the town centre.
No longer to be regarded as little more than a drug plant nursery for teaching medical students, his view was that the garden should be for the study of plants themselves.
In 1831, a suitable site of 38 acres of cornfields was identified for the new botanic garden. The garden could now be planned along modern lines for teaching and research.
The official opening of the new botanic garden took place on the 2nd of November 1846, and today the gardens are acknowledged as a world leader in both the management of its living collections and supporting world-class research.
With over 8,000 different species of plants over 40 acres, the garden has featured on TV, including David Attenborough's Green Planet in 2022.
At the time, the highest temperature recorded in the UK, 38.7 degrees C, was recorded on the 25th of July 2019 at the garden. This was later broken when 40.3 was recorded in Coningsby, Lincolnshire, on the 19th of July 2022. On the same day, the garden broke its own record, reaching 39.9 degrees C.
Between 1954 and February 2022, the gardens were home to the famous Isaac Newton tree, grown from a cutting of the tree that dropped the apple that inspired Newton to produce his theory of gravity. The tree was blown down in Storm Eunice on the 19th of February 2022.
Just a 15-minute walk from Cambridge city centre, there's plenty to see, including a garden shop and cafe.
Well, we're relaxing in the sun now. It's been a lovely day, hasn't it?
It certainly has. I do like a botanical garden, don't you?
I do. There's always something different to see.
Yeah, lots of inspiration. Oh well, thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.